to this channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make faded videos. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. Faded videos means the particular faded song with which you can make the video. So particularly you have to just do one thing, tap on the new project. Now select your particular photo that you want to add. So I'm gonna choose these photos. So I have selected 4 photos. Just tap on the add button. Okay, or you can choose 4 clips. Now you have to just import that particular faded song. Tap on the audio button, then tap on the sound button. Okay, then you have to go to your file, then tap on the device, and you can select your particular music. As I have to extract that particular music from the video, so I'm gonna tap on extract sound from video. So this is the video from where I want to import that sound. Just tap on this, you can see it has been added. Now tap on the sound. Now there is a button auto beat. You have to just tap on the beats. Here it is. Okay, select the auto generated. It's adding the beats automatically so that you can easily get the particular beat. Tap on the check mark. You can see that the beat has been added. Again, go to the beat and you can select slow beat for it. Okay, you can see the yellow marks here. Here is the beat. Now you have to change this length. Okay, so let's say this is the first length, then this is the second one, this is the third one. Okay, so just delete the last one. Okay, so this is the 3 photos you can see. Now you have to tap on the white mark to add any transition that will make your video more perfect. Just go to the camera, add anything like that, then again go to the camera, add anything from camera. So here it is. Then again tap on the particular video or image. You can add any animation. Go to the combo and add anything. Second one, go to the animation, go to the combo, add something like that. It's up to you, that's up to your creativity. I'm just adding some random things. Okay, now go to the full video. Now I will show you how it looks. So it's looking amazing, you can see, but for the buffering it's just loading, but actually it will look amazing. Okay, so if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.